Hello guys, so we are here in Boulevard. So we will present the different types of food market here in Dumaguete City. So hello guys, nato dito sa hardware mo. So ato gusto mo buhat mga lain-lain ng mga pieces. So bukas uban.
Let's go.
Tapos kay alo-alo.
Sige, halala ta. Tapos,
Burger, 75.
Lalo ka? Paano ba ka lalo?
Ano tag 50?
Ah.
Okay, 100.
Ay, pwede yung videoan sa pagkama.
ay,
Ay, saan mo sir?
Sport purposes lang pa.
Okay, sige sir.
okay lang.
Okay, magputos ako sa picture natin. Sir, ay
Kunya na nakukuhaon kay wala kay Gilsa. Dara kog 5.
yan na doon niyo po ang tignan po dito sa atin.
Magulo ko sa 1 pa.
As you can see, si ma'am kahit ano-anong ingredients nilalagay. Nilagyan ng ice. Every tasa, cup, nilalagyan ng ice and other things. Mukhang masarap to, guys. Tapos nilagyan evaporada. Yan.
Malasa sa ano, halo-halo.
Okay, okay na yung halo-halo sir.
So, iti-test namin yung lasa.
So muna yung kung anong halo-halo dito sa Dumaguete.
Di ba una na ano, halo-halo? I-shake
Halo.
shake.
Ano siya itaw galalo guys, ihalo ni tanan.
Ihalo mga ingredients sa
Kaya mo pa
Salud sa-
ay sa amin. So barato ready siya kung sige sa mo worth it ang kung 50 pesos. So skalal 50 pesos.
so,
Ilang halalo na yung mga prutas, na yung mga sakli, na yung mga sago, which healthy ra food.
tama.
Sa mga tao, malitan eh.
So, kung mainit ang ulo nyo, tapos,
Ay, masago.
so guys, So guys, nakita mig another similar sa halo-halo na shop.
nata diri sa Changi. Ato testingan na halo sa Bading Suwan. So gilasan sila ng halo. So tara. So doon na kayo na popular kaya halo this Changi so ato testingan sa taas. Boss na yun. So, halo, kita. Ah, pante! Halo, nakikita eh. Kailan nga halo?
Sa mo ano te?
Amo, spilan?
Pwede na te.
Okay na? So, pupusis na ba?
Pwede. Okay na, pero ngayon tipador kay hindi may makuha anak.
Nga, grasya.
Eh, kuhaan ka nung sa ngalan anak. Silado lang magkawal. Naman.
So,
Regular halo, 45. So, ano tayo?
Be, Jun, pa yung bakasyon no?
Ha?
Jun, pa yung bakasyon?
May?
Oh, may? Ay, nakutana ko.
May sumuna. 45. Ay, wala. Wala na ka na. Muna pa? Hindi pa? Dito ba? Dak, ito gapon na.
chair, bossing.
So, good morning. So, first is sa Yokan Halal Store sa Evermall. So, based on my review kay dagang tao na may sila ang ilang shop kay because of the taste of sa ilang halal like sweet and tamis based on sweet na kuan ilang halal na dagang pong sagol silang halal like kipatan nila evaporada. So to make sure na tamis gyud ang taste sa halalo and dagang po silang kuan silang halalo like mix na partner like burger, fries, and ang akong ma-recommend dito sa ilahang shop is to add some silogan so to make sure na dagang mamalit silahang shop and dagang choices ang mapilian instead sa halo-halo and mga combo na burger and fries. So mas ma-recommend ako ang silugan. And sa Bading Suwan sa Changi halo-halo which ang review na ko ito is kang mayroon kayong tao na milit kay dili good isa ang Bading Suwan sa Changi dagan ubay-ubay sila na mahalo-haloan. So kato among amon to na tuan tong isa ka Bading Suwans na kuan like gitaste na mo ang ilang halo-halo like bland ilahang halo-halo like no sweetness no taste niya bland gyud siya, as in kay naay mga sagol butong. And ang akong ma-recommend sila hang halo-haloan diya is need gyud sila kuan add something more taste, same like sa mang inasal, like put analog katong murag ice cream ube type, so to make sure na tsada ang ilang halalo like mutamis. Then sa gibutang nila kondensada, ilang nabutang silang halalo dili evaporada, maong bland ilang halo-halo. So more to ako recommend need yun nila i-improve ilahang halo-halo sa baning suwans, like to put some another taste sa ilang halo-halo. So moral to guys.
The food stall in Evermall called Yuan that we went and tried their food. The shop have different kinds of food and combination in menu, like shakes with 3 different flavor, halo-halo combined with burger, tempura, and nuggets. As each food prices are good enough to satisfy our cravings. Their staff have good and welcoming approach. What you want is what you get. As it is called food stall, it is small food business place inside an Evermall. Each stall have shared table. Customer can sit anywhere within that table. Even they have different kinds of food they bought. It is allowed. The place is welcoming and great for a customer who wants to crave. As area of their improvement, the process of their making food is slow, making their customer wait for a few minutes to receive their orders. Their place within their area is very tight, making customer might slow approach to their table, and eventually accident between customer might happen. As we recommend, they need machine and equipment for efficiently well served for people and fast ordered in time. Also, make their area spaciously so that the customer will safely approach to their table. The restaurant we went through and tried their food inside in Changi or Dumaguetes market is called Bading Swan's Halo Halo. They have many kinds of food menu, as they have for breakfast food, dessert, rainy seasonal food, and oily foods. As their food pricing, it is cheaper than Yuan's food stall and good for small budget for customer craving. The staff are very welcome and easily approached. They are talkative to customer and with respect. As their place, it is comfortable and spaciously. As area of improvement, they are slow for making the food, lack of customer, and not very visible place. As we recommend, they need machine and equipment to fast their food making process, show their business product in online to attract more customer. Yeah. Thank you.